Hello guys, welcome to CoderCrab. So today we have a very special guest, that is Chat GPT. Yes, it's a buzzword nowadays, right? Everybody is talking about it. But what I found out that yes, it is having potential. Okay, so it will really help us. But I'm pretty sure that it is not a replacement of any kind of jobs. It is here to help. It's just an advancement in technology. That's all. Okay, so yes, it will help you in the code review, code refactoring, code explanation, even conceptual explanations. It really does that really good. So if you have any issue, it will pull from data from Stack Overflow, different websites might be, but yes, it is going to compile a very good explanation for you. That's how it will definitely going to help you. You will stop using, you will stop googling things more. You will be doing, you will be searching here for basic things. Slowly, it will be more intelligent. It will have more training sets. Then it will have more details, right? Okay, so let's see it. Okay. Angular ng if is throwing error. Okay, so I put this. Okay, so let's see what it is replying. There could be several reasons why you are getting an error with ng if directive in Angular. Here are the few possibilities. Yes, it is definitely giving the correct thing. Sometimes when a new developer comes, they miss ng module, common module, or they put something different, or they say they don't import them properly. So that's why ng if doesn't work. Okay, so that is the first hit you should do, right? Next thing, it is given a very clean, neat example saying that you should be using ng if this manner, right? So I felt like this is good. And okay, is visible else? Yeah, it is showing like how you are going to use else with ng if, with ng template. I mean, a really good explanation. I felt like this is really awesome. You would be going to different websites and finding this result, and you will compile by yourself and find this kind of summary, and it is placing it in one place. That's super cool. Okay, so guys, please use it for any kind of new thing you come across from some videos or somewhere. Just search it in ChatGPT. It will really give you a very neat explanation. Okay, having said that, let's see what it has got if I'll give my code snippet to it. So I have a pretty simple code snippet here: internationalized APIs, JavaScript's currency format. I'm just formatting to INR. So let's see what it gives me here. So can you please explain me? Okay, let's see. Okay, certainly in the code you provided amount is a floating point number, yes, and yes, it identified the language tag which specifies the language the region of this IN, and okay, in INTL number format constructor text to argument. Okay, so fair enough. Then okay, the currency which means it is this. Okay, notation use format, it explains, yes, cool, correct. Okay, so yes, it is giving the notation as a compact, style as a currency. So those things are, it is explaining really good. Okay, so I felt like this is, I mean, this is what you can get. I mean, if you will go to different websites, you will get this thing only. So let's go for the third one. It is okay. So now the real challenge. Okay, so I have a very simple set here. Okay, simple code which where I have a unit selling price and I have certain an array, and I'm just traversing through that array, and I'm just finding a random item and putting it into log. So this is a pretty simple example. So let me, and I have knowingly I have put two mistakes here. Okay, one is I have while comparing I have put double equals to here, which is not a type comparison, and secondly I have used map. Okay, this place is more suitable for each. So let's see what it does. Can you please refactor above code? Let's see what it does. Certainly here is the refactor. Okay, it converted my let to const. Fair enough. Okay, so it converted my map to for. Okay, okay. In this refactor version, I made the following changes. I renamed the PRD price property to product, and okay, that is a very normal change. I used for of loop instead of map method to iterate over the elements USP array. This allows you to access each element and array variable rather than this. Okay, okay. Good, but it did not. Yes, 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 yes. It converted my double equals to triple equals to guide. This is really cool. I mean, yes, this is found. It found one of the things. Okay, and for each, I thought like it would convert it to USP dot for each. Okay, I tried a different snippet and it also did it. So yeah, it's fair enough for each. I mean, the performance would not be that much of difference. But yes, I think this review, this is, yeah, going to give a very good review, but yes, it is not yet there. Okay, it needs to be little bit more, it should be, this is my thought, like it, people can may differ, but it is, yes, it's really good, but code refactoring and reviewing, you should not be completely dependent on it. You need to have to be, it needs to be reviewed by a senior person. Okay, so that's all, guys. I mean, I think it really did good job in explanation and in and the code explanation and code information. That explanation in the sense code snippet explanation and code information. Really good job, awesome. Okay, I mean, this is best if you will follow, and if you are going to review, you review it. I mean, some 50, 60, 70% things you can follow from here, but review and refactor will always involve lots of features and logics. Okay, lots of features, functionalities. It depends your code, how your code is being. Its code doesn't mean a snippet, right? It's a business logic. So if there's a big business logic, you may not want to use. Go by the rule book, right? Sometimes you need to deviate to adjust your components or do something, right? So those kind of things will definitely need a senior developer for you. So if you are a new developer or intermediate developer, you would need somebody who can guide you there. But yes, it is doing very good job in explanations. Okay, follow it, guys. I mean, really, explanation and issues handling, I think this is going to break the I mean, these Google search things at least. Thank you, guys.